today we have a squishy package.
And what team are you rooting for in the Super Bowl?
Yeah, so comment below what team you're rooting for, and let's get started. This is the first one.
Whoa. It's so big.
Here.
Oh my god, it smells.
Oh, it's so soft.
And it's adorable.
Yay.
And it's bestseller.
It's a really good seller. It's the best seller one. Okay, so let's get to the next clip. Get on to the next one. Let me show you the second one. Oh my god. Oh, it's so slow rising. Oh my god. And here's the next one.
Who snatched
Okay.
that from me?
This is my favorite one. Ah, it's so slow rising. So slow rising. Here, feel this one.
Now I can't feel this.
Why? Oh, you have to wait. I can't feel this one. I want this one's so nice. This is my favorite squishy.
Oh my god.
It's so adorable. Isn't it so soft?
Oh
This is the
my
first
God.
one. It's so adorable. It's so slow rising,
And it's a bestseller.
and it is a bestseller. Okay, you show.
And this is number 2. It's really slow. It's a deer in a cup with his tongue sticking out.
It's the last one.
It's a cow.
Okay, they can't even see it. This is. Let me show them it to you.
This is a cow. It's adorable.
Okay, and then it's very slow rising, and we recommend it for you.
And we totally recommend it for you. And